What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today I will be adding my startup scanner lights that I had to replace the ones that was on there, so they're already off. I got two this time, so we're gonna see how that right there work out. Different sequences, so I don't even know what the sequence is yet, so I'm interested to see how that right there goes. And I'm going to add my bloody horn bull badges on the sides, and we're going to put the grill on to go with that new wrapped hood. So let's hop into this video, y'all. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I got one set down there, the other set up here. Now this set is going to go right exactly where the ones I'm replacing was, right around the bottom of the grill. And the other one, I ran it in through the fog light housing so I can make it go up around the black trim, up under the Optimus, above the RT. That's the plan. So let's clean these, clean the bumper up where it's going to be sticking anyway. Got my alcohol up here. They're going to get connected to the fuse and grounded. Then they should work. Hopefully. But the last one didn't. I started to do a video on it. I tested it. It worked. I installed it. It didn't work. I'm like, what the heck? But let's go. Alright, y'all, so apparently I can only connect one set of the lights. The second set, which you see down here on the bottom, start coming out of the waterproof tube. If it's not in the waterproof tube, it's not waterproof, which means now I cannot put them on. I start looking around for the cameras to see if I was getting pumped, because the first set I got worked when I tested them, didn't work when I installed them. I just got this set. I bought these because that set didn't work. So I got these, and there's nothing stopping them from coming out the tube. They're like, I don't understand, but they're just not. You know what I mean? And then I can only get it in so far before it stops cooperating and won't work. I can't get it in no more. Looks like I'm reaching that point. And I already tried to slide them in. They only slide into a certain point. I got them to about here. And all the rest of that is just an empty tube. I can't get it in. So I can only connect one set. Highly pissed because I wanted them down there. I wanted it to look different. This is just a replacement. I already had that. I already know what that looked like. But that plus this is going to set it off. That was going to be the game changer. So, and I'll still probably do it. I just have to wait now. Order another one. Oh, man. So this part of the install ain't going to work because is the asking question there somewhere, is he about to run out? Am I being pumped? Because this is the second set in the row. Now let's test it out, see if they come on. Well, guys, they actually are on. You just can't tell they're on because the sun is beaming right on them. Got to wait for it to get dark. See if see how it looks. See what the pattern is. I don't even know, but they're on. They're on right now. Don't look like it at all though. But what we can do right now is hook that grill up, close this hood, and see what this new front end look like. always something, guys. Always something. Those two sets, I'm sure, would have been dope together. But no. At least not right now. Gotta wait another week and order some more. Probably about 2 weeks. I mean, it's not even gonna be here by my birthday. Woo! But we got that grill in. We got the one set in there. After this little talk, then I'll have a night shot to see what it looked like. Because one of those two was a new sequence. It wasn't the old sequence. One was the old sequence. One was the new sequence. So hopefully the one that ain't working was the old sequence, and the one that's in there now is a new sequence. Hopefully. Other than that, it's going to be the same sequence up there. But I'm not going to know till later. But how y'all like the way that grill look, man? How y'all like the way that grill look with the hood wrap? Man, this looked like a whole different car. I'm very happy with the way the remix of the remix is turning out. You know what I'm saying? This is baby right here. You know what I mean? Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Hit that notification bell so y'all get notifications every time I upload a video. Make sure y'all stick around so y'all can see the night shot. And I'll see y'all at the next video. We out.